What if I told you there's an AI tool in 2025 that can design an entire website in under 60 seconds, just by describing it in plain English? And another that literally talks, thinks, and sounds like you, without you recording a single word? Sounds like science fiction? It's not. These are just 2 of the 5 mind-blowing AI tools that are changing the world in ways you won't believe. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 most insane AI tools of 2025. Tools that are so advanced, they feel illegal to use. Stick around to the end, because tool number 1 is making people thousands of dollars without even working, and most people have never heard of it. Let's dive in. 5. Galileo AI, UI design from text prompts. Imagine you're starting a business and need a clean, modern website, fast. But you don't know how to code, you don't want to pay a designer, and you need it yesterday. This is where Galileo AI comes in. Galileo is like ChatGPT, but for UI design. You just write a short sentence like, a sleek app interface for a personal finance tracker with graphs and dark mode. And in seconds, it generates an editable, professional layout, complete with buttons, charts, and layout suggestions. No coding, no Figma knowledge, no templates. Just describe what you need and it builds it. Designers are already using it to speed up their workflow by over 70%. Startups are using it to pitch ideas with working prototypes before even hiring a team. This tool is changing the way products are built, and it's only getting smarter. And here's the wild part. Galileo can even explain why it designed things a certain way. It thinks like a designer, but never gets tired, never charges you $10,000, and works 24/7. Would you trust an AI to design your next app? Because thousands already do. Now, let's move to number 4, and this one might just replace your virtual assistant forever. 4. Devin, the world's first AI software engineer. This one is wild. Meet Devin, the world's first AI software engineer. No, not a code assistant, not a chatbot that answers questions. We're talking about a full-blown autonomous AI developer that can plan, code, debug, test, and deploy software completely on its own. You give it a task like, build me a to-do list app using React with a dark mode and user authentication. And it doesn't just suggest how to do it, it actually does it, line by line, file by file, and then it pushes the code to GitHub. It even tests the app live in a browser, fixing bugs on its own, just like a human developer would. This AI was created by ElevenLabs, and it's already making waves in the tech world. It passed real-world coding interviews at top tech companies and completed tasks on Upwork better than junior devs. And here's the kicker. Companies are starting to hire Devin as a team member, assigning it tasks, tracking its progress, and even reviewing its pull requests. So, if you're a freelance developer, you might want to start making friends with your new robot coworker. 3. ElevenLabs AI, cloning any voice in seconds. You know how voiceovers used to take hours, expensive equipment, and studio time? Yeah, that's over. ElevenLabs AI can now clone any voice, including yours, in less than 1 minute. You just record a short sample, upload it, and boom, you get a perfect digital replica of your voice that can read scripts in over 30 languages, with emotion, tone shifts, accents, and more. And no, this isn't robotic monotone like old-school text-to-speech. We're talking about real human-level emotion, excitement, sadness, sarcasm, all generated instantly. This is already being used by YouTubers who don't want to record voiceovers, podcasters who want to translate episodes into other languages using their own voice, entrepreneurs creating entire faceless channels using cloned narration. In fact, some creators are making $10,000+ per month running multiple faceless YouTube channels with nothing but ElevenLabs, ChatGPT, and a video editor. And no one watching even knows it's AI. That's the future. And it's already here. But if you think that's impressive, tool number 2 is so advanced, it's being used to write Hollywood scripts, ads, and even romantic conversations. Let's jump into it. 2. GPT-2 by OpenAI, the multimodal genius. If ChatGPT blew your mind back in 2023, wait until you meet GPT-4o, the omni version of AI that speaks, listens, sees, and reasons like no machine ever before. This isn't just a chatbot. GPT-4o can read an image and describe what's happening, solve complex math problems by looking at a diagram, understand your tone of voice through your microphone, carry a full conversation with real-time voice and emotional intonation. Imagine this. You're on a call with GPT-4o and say, "Hey, I need help writing a birthday message for my friend who loves cats and pizza." It replies instantly, with warmth in its voice. "Sure, how about wishing you a perfect birthday full of cheesy happiness?" Yeah, that's where we are now. Teachers are using GPT-4o to create personalized lesson plans. Coders are using it as a debugging partner. Marketers are generating entire ad campaigns in minutes. Even therapists are exploring GPT-4o as a mental health co-pilot. What's crazy is that all of this is available on a free plan, with some limits, and people are building entire businesses on top of it. So, if you're not using GPT-4o yet, you're missing out on the most powerful free employee you'll ever have. 1. Opus Clip. Turn long videos into viral shorts automatically. And here it is, the tool that's making people money on autopilot, Opus Clip. It takes a long YouTube video, yours or someone else's, and uses AI to find the most viral moments, adds captions, zooms, emojis, and cuts it into TikTok-style viral shorts ready to post. You don't need editing skills. You don't even need to record anything new. Just upload a long video and it gives you 10 to 15 shorts in minutes, formatted for TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts. What makes it next level is the virality score. It gives each clip based on body language, keywords, pacing, and emotional tone. It literally predicts which clip will go viral. Creators are using Opus Clip to grow Shorts channels from 0 to 100,000 subscribers, make money from YouTube Shorts bonuses, drive massive traffic to long-form content or affiliate links. And here's the secret most don't realize. You can use public domain content or repurpose free interviews, run it through Opus Clip, and generate a dozen viral clips with monetization potential built in. Zero camera, zero microphone, zero problem. If you want to go viral in 2025, Opus Clip is your secret weapon. So let's recap the 5 most insane AI tools of 2025. Galileo AI builds UI designs from a simple sentence. Devin, the world's first autonomous software engineer. ElevenLabs clones your voice and speaks 30+ languages. GPT-4o, the multimodal genius assistant of your dreams. Opus Clip turns long videos into viral shorts in minutes. Each of these tools is more than just impressive. They're literally reshaping entire industries, replacing teams, and creating income streams for regular people like you and me. But now, let me leave you with a bonus tool, one that's low-key exploding and almost no one's talking about yet. Bonus, HeyGen AI. Create an avatar that talks like you. Imagine this. You write a script in English, and 5 minutes later, a human-looking avatar is on screen reading your script in Chinese, Spanish, Hindi, and German, with perfect lip sync and accent. That's what HeyGen AI does. It creates hyper-realistic avatars that you can fully customize, upload your own face, or choose a presenter from their library. Then it lets you type your message, pick a voice, and boom, a talking head video in any language without a camera, mic, or editing skills. People are using it to launch YouTube channels in 10+ languages, sell digital products globally, make customer support videos in 20+ languages, build online courses without recording a single lesson. What used to take days or weeks, shooting, editing, translating, now takes minutes. This is the kind of tool that creators are quietly using to scale to 5K, 10K, even 20K a month. And the best part? You don't need to show your face. So whether you're a creator, a marketer, a business owner, or just someone looking to escape the 9-to-5, AI isn't the future. It's your shortcut to freedom. If any of these tools blew your mind, do me a favor. Hit that like button, because it tells YouTube to show this to more people like you. And if you want more videos like this, packed with money-making AI tools, tech hacks, and automation strategies, subscribe and turn on notifications, because we're just getting started. Oh, and tell me in the comments, which AI tool would you use to start your next business? I read every comment, and I might even make a full video on the most liked response. Thanks for watching. Now go build something awesome with AI. Imagine unlocking a skill that transforms your professional life. What if you could break down complex processes into simple steps? In today's fast-paced world, we often feel overwhelmed. We juggle tasks and responsibilities daily, yet mastering any skill can enhance productivity and performance. Let's explore a structured approach to learning that helps you grasp new concepts quickly. First, identify what you need to learn. Focus on one skill. This clarity sets a direction for your journey. Next, gather resources. Look for books, online courses, and articles. Curate materials that fit your learning style, whether visual or auditory. Then create a structured plan. Break the skill down into manageable chunks. Assign timelines for each segment to keep you on track. As you progress, practice regularly. Apply what you learn in real-life scenarios to reinforce your understanding. Feedback is crucial. Seek input from peers or mentors. This external perspective can highlight areas for improvement. Finally, reflect on your journey. What worked well? What could be refined? This reflection solidifies your learning and paves the way for future skills. Consider a professional who wants to master public speaking. They focus on that one skill. They gather relevant videos, articles, and practice opportunities. Over time, they refine their technique and receive constructive feedback. In summary, mastering any skill involves clear focus, organized resources, structured planning, regular practice, and reflection. Embrace this process, and you will enhance your professional journey. Start your learning journey today. Identify a skill. Gather resources. Create your structured plan. Begin practicing and watch your professional life flourish.